What is up, everybody? You know, we start over. What is up, everybody? Steve Production here. Today I'm gonna cook some delicious ground beef alongside with some healthy stuff like broccoli. I love broccoli with brown rice. I already washed already. So with ground beef, I'm gonna be adding browning. What is this? Garlic and herbs. Garlic pepper seasoning. Wait. Well, I don't need this because it's already have garlic in it. And I will need to put this in there too. Just a little bit of lemon juice. Just to make it have a little lemon taste. I like lemons. Okay. Did I forget anything? Okay, let's move on to the stove. First, I'm gonna put water in the brown rice. Yeah. Now move to the pot. Put this there. And then this one. Turn it on. Oh, this is the wrong one. Damn it, I keep doing that. Alright, there. Alright, that's for the rice. And this is for the ground beef. Where's the ground beef? Alright, grab this. Grab that, yeah, that, this one, that one. I already turned on this one. This one is for the broccoli. Once you see it start bubbles, then I'm gonna put the broccoli in there. Alright, and this one, I'm gonna put my stuff in there now. Did I forget to turn this on? There. Oh yeah, I forgot I'm gonna put coconut milk in there. Here, this coconut milk, I hope it's not expired. I'm gonna taste it. I don't wanna get sick and then have to call out. Can't come to work. Taste this a bit. Yes, it's good. Yeah, tastes alright. I think. Put some of that in there. Oh, I need to put butter in there. Where's the butter? Butter! Country butter. I'm gonna put it in the rice. A little piece. Piece more for good measure. Put it in there. Mix it up. Salt. Oh yeah, I forgot. Where's that? It's culture salt. Whoops, turned the wrong way. There it is. Ha. Should I use a fork, but whatever. Put a little bit there. I need to put this thing in this. Wait, did I turn this down? Oh my gosh, this is not bubbling up. What the Okay, hold on. Turn this up. Which one? Is this one? Turn it up. Hold on. Oh, I should turn up the wrong one. Turn that down. I don't want to burn up the pot. No, wait. Yeah, it's turned up already. It taking so long to bubble up. But that's bubble up. You gotta turn that down. Oh my gosh, this is a disaster. I gotta. Oh wait, I'm gonna put butter in this one. Yeah, I don't have to put the oil because butter is like oil. So, how much percent of the oil? 28%. Go in there. Okay, I thought you're gonna burst into flames. Piece more for good measure. Things are disaster here. Alright, still not bubbling up. Okay, now it's melted. Let's add it in there. Put them in there piece by piece. Put it in there piece by piece. A lot. Damn it, I need to check the rice there. Oh my gosh, I can't do two things. I need a second of me. There, put it there. Everything in there. I think I need more butter in there. Piece more butter. Yeah. It's light, so it's a healthy butter. Mix it up, mix it up. Mix this up too. Oh my gosh. Let's check this one. Still take a while to bubble up. I want it to have this little brownish look. So once everything's like that, then I'm gonna add the spices and stuff. So just keep doing this. Okay, so now it's have a little brownish look. Now to add spices and oh the rice. I'm trying to spin this around. It's not bubbling up. Oh, I know why. This one is too small. The big one is on back. I gotta turn on the back one. There, turn. That's why it's taking a while. This one is smaller. Oh, I'm gonna turn this off. I turned off the wrong one. Oh man. Just put in that didn't happen. Turn this off. Alright, let's add the spices before this thing burn up. I don't want to burn the house down. First thing I'm gonna put in is browning. Just a little bit to add coloring. Yeah, a little bit of lemon juice. Just a little bit. A little lemon taste. Then salt. I should have used a spoon, but whatever. Put that in there, just want a little bit in there. So the rice. Oh my gosh, 3 video in 1. Then I'm gonna add this in there. Teriyaki. Put it there. Mix it up. I would have had ketchup, but I don't have any. But luckily, I have the little pocket ones. I found it in my left jacket pocket. Just a one. Need more, but whatever. It's alright. It's optional. You can add your own flavor or whatever just to make it taste good. Alright, let's cover this. Let's taste the rice if it's done. Yeah, it's done. Turn that off. Okay, it's the right one this time. Okay. Alright, I think that's a good sign. Alright, let's add the broccoli in there. Grab this. Put it in there. Let it go ahead and do its thing. Alright, back to this. Let's taste this one if it's done. I hope so. Yeah man, that one done. Wait on the broccoli. Ah boy, I'm so hungry. I can't wait. Oh, I forgot. This you have to wait for like 5 to 10 minutes so it go ahead and boil. I just want it to soft. or something you have to check on it before 10 minutes to see if it's soft, because you don't want it too soft. So it melts in your mouth, you don't want that. Oh, 10 minutes passed. Oh, 10 minutes probably passed by already. Hold on, I'll taste it, hold on. Yeah, just gonna taste and see if it's finished. It's done now, check now. Turn this off. No, I need to drain it. Get rid of the water. Oh my gosh, so hot. Alright, right there. Alright, and there you have it, everybody. Nice, delicious ground beef with brown rice with broccoli. If you don't like broccoli, you know what to do. You add your own flavor into it so it tastes good. If you don't like broccoli, I like to put creamy French dressing. Tastes good. Yeah, man. That's it. The video done. Please like this video if you enjoy this cooking video and subscribe for more. So yeah, this is Straightforward Action and I'm straightforward out. Peace.